Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very yummy breakfast recipe, that is egg paratha. I'll be adding cheese also to the paratha. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 1 cup of maida, that is all purpose flour, and 1 cup of atta, that is the normal flour that we have, and I have mixed it here. It's mixed. Then here I have taken 2 eggs, salt as per our taste, cheese. I'm using cheese cubes. I have grated the cheese cubes, so 2 cheese cubes grated, oil to fry the parathas, and here the stuffings that we will add into the egg. We have tomatoes, 1/2 tomato finely chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped, little bit of fresh coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you have green chilies, if you don't want to add chili flakes, you can add green chilies also. This is optional. If you're making for children, then try avoiding this. This half of the capsicum, I have chopped them like this. So apart from all these ingredients, friends, I'll be using water to knead the dough. First, let us prepare the egg mixture. I will add all these ingredients in this. Everything will go in this egg mix. Salt as per our taste. We'll add salt. And now we will mix this. Mix it properly. Friends, here is our egg mixture ready. So we will keep this aside, and now we will take the maida and atta, and I am going to add little salt to this, just a pinch of salt. And now I will knead a dough for the parathas. Friends, here is our dough ready for paratha. Now we will make small balls and we will roll out the parathas. Friends, here I have shaped it like balls, and now I will roll it out. We will just roll it out like rotis, normal round rotis. So let's roll it out. Friends, here I have rolled out the maida dough. I've rolled out and I've kept it ready here. Now let's heat a tawa or a pan. Now I have heated this tawa, friends. So here I will take this roti and we will place it here. Let it get cooked from one side a little bit. So now, friends, as you can see, there are bubbles coming up. We will turn the rotis, and then now we will put little bit of oil or ghee if you have. And then we will add the egg mixture. Lower the flame while adding the egg mixture, friends. Add little bit of cheese. Some more egg mixture, and then take the second chapati or the paratha thing and just press it. And we'll leave it for a minute like this over low flame. After a minute, friends, we will add little bit of oil this side also. And now we will slowly flip this paratha and cook it from the other side also. Please do this over low flame or else your parathas will get burnt. Now friends, a paratha is ready from both the sides, so we will take it out in a pan and repeat the same procedure for the next parathas. Same way friends, here also I have added the egg mixture and the cheese, and now again on top I will cover it with another paratha. Just gently press it. And cook this over low flame. You can add oil also so that it gets cooked from the sides. So friends, here is our yummy parathas ready. 3 egg parathas I have made. So now I'm going to cut them and plate it. Here is our egg parathas ready, friends. You can see the filling inside. Serve them hot. I am serving it with tomato ketchup and veg mayo. You can also serve this with green chutney. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.